We have with us Mr. Ninad Russell, Product Manager, Philips Machine Tools, India Private Limited, who will be talking regarding 3D printing, regarding the white goods and electronics.
Hi, everyone. A warm welcome again to Additive Manufacturing Industrial Conference 2021, organized by Objectify team. I am Ninad Rasal, and I'm here from Philips Machine Tools India. The topic today I'll be talking on will be global outlook of additive manufacturing. Firstly, I would like to thank the team of Objectify to organize this particular event in such a difficult situation of pandemic. I hope you all are doing well and you all are safe during this difficult time of pandemic. And I'll be talking purely about the global outlook of additive manufacturing and some more other topics as well. So yeah. When we talk about the global outlook of additive manufacturing, we'll be looking at from the different perspectives. The main 3 points that I'll be covering on in this particular presentation will be, as you can see on the slide. The very first one is actually the perspective of additive manufacturing solutions company. We are advanced manufacturing solutions company, Philips Machine Tools, and what is exactly our perspective so as to enter aggressively into the arena of additive manufacturing globally. That is what we will be presenting about. The second is about the outlook of opportunities into AM. What are the global opportunities and what are the restrictions for the most of the audience to invest into an additive? That is what a small analysis from our side. And lastly, I think one of the most interesting topic for today will be Philips Additive Hybrid. We will be introducing to you about the Philips Additive Hybrid and how exactly we are contributing into the additive manufacturing portfolio through our product of Philips Additive Hybrid. About that. So before I move forward, I would like to brief you about our parent organization. So I represent Philips Machine Tools, which is a 100% owned subsidiary of Philips Corporation. Philips Corporation is a company, it's a manufacturing solutions leader and a machine tool distributor, which is based out of North America. We have our headquarters in Hanover, Maryland. And we are not just manufacturing solutions leader or not just a machine tool distributor, but we have started our aggressive journey collaborating with different Department of Defense and different government institutions in globally, so as to absorb and increase the absorption of different manufacturing technologies. Talking about additive per se, Philips Corporation has basically associated with United States Department of Defense, so as to increase the so as to educate the defense personnel as well as inspire them and redefine the capabilities of additive manufacturing through one of the Rock Island Arsenal facilities, which is a facility which is dedicated to the development of additive manufacturing technology for Department of Defense, wherein we have partnered with our near and dear partner EOS, so as to put a machine there, and we have invested more than $1 million so as to educate and inspire the personnel so as to absorb the additive manufacturing in the United States. So that's about the Philips Corporation. Talking about Philips Machine Tools India per se, like I said, we are 100% owned subsidiary of Philips Corporation USA. More than 250 skilled workforce present in India. From India, we take care of the complete operations for India, Sri Lanka, Middle East, Bangladesh. And we have more than 10,000 installations in India. When we talk about CNC machines, different categories into subtractive manufacturing technology and automation, injection molding, wire cut EDM, and also additive manufacturing. And we have a fantastic, we are not just sales partners for most of the companies. We are also solution partners, wherein we not just take care of the sales part of it, but we also take care of the post-sales application support, post-sales service support, pre-sales application support, all of the complete handholding to the complete customer in terms of all the solutions. So we take care of all of these offerings from our side. Talking about the product portfolio that Philips is into, you can see in terms of subtractive manufacturing into milling, turning, grinding, we have different range of products. We are the topmost importer of the CNC machine tools in India, wherein we like you have seen in the previous slide, we have more than 10,000 installations just for subtractive manufacturing into the Indian manufacturing industry. Talking about the focus of today, which is additive manufacturing, we have three product ranges that we present to the Indian market, which is purely Philips Additive Hybrid powered by Haas, EOS Electro-Optical System, and Markforged, a company based out of USA, North America. And we are also having a great expertise in automation as well as injection molding. So this is all the product portfolio that we offer to the Indian subcontinent. Now, talking about the perspective of advanced manufacturing solution company, which is us. When we talk about sizing of additive manufacturing market globally, now through Holler's report, it is claimed that the whole additive market globally will reach close to $30 billion by 2028. And if you consider right now, today we are somewhere close to $14.6 billion. Now, when we talk about, again, more statistics globally, close to 2,300 metal 3D printers were sold last year, and which almost valued to almost $8 to $9 billion, which is a great value. And yes, we are also a sales-driven organization wherein we want to support most of the CNC job shops, most of our customers who are using subtractive manufacturing in terms of additive manufacturing solutions. Moving to the next slide. Now, when we talk about such a huge absorption of additive manufacturing globally, in Indian market, why we face so much of entry barrier? We all know, I think, capex or the entry cost or investment is a first barrier that is actually considered by most of the organizations. But in addition to that, know-how of additive manufacturing is also very important, and that is where actually most of the companies lag in terms of taking that particular leap of faith or that risk in terms of investing into additives. We all know that many conglomerates into India have started thinking about investing into additive manufacturing, but till now, why they were restricting themselves from an investment, why they were restricting themselves from entering into the arena was, you can see from the statistics, I think 59% of the companies restricted only because of the cost of entry. And if you talk about the next highest percentage is of knowledge gap. Now, when we actually discussed with some of the industry experts or leaders into manufacturing, conventional manufacturing solutions, they also gave us the same feedback. When we talk about the entry barrier, in addition to that entry barrier, even though they have the fundings, in terms of understanding the technology, in terms of selecting the right parts for 3D printing, and in terms of defining the right business case for 3D printing, is of great importance to most of the organizations when they're investing into 3D printing. And that is where Philips plays a major role in terms of completely hand-holding with the customer and actually delivering the product of every customer's need. How we do that, we will see in the coming slides. You can also see that this is actually a Gartner curve in terms of development of the additive manufacturing industry. It's a journey of additive manufacturing industry that we all can see. I think we all can agree that during close to 2016, 2017, I think there was a huge drop down in terms of delusionment movement against additive manufacturing. In 2013, 2014, I think people were too much enthusiastic in terms of expecting most of it out of additive manufacturing. But then there was a huge drop down in the expectation during 2016, 2017. But when we actually went ahead during 2018 and 2019, you can see most of the end-use part application or replacement of traditional manufacturing processes started taking place. And that is where Philips started aggressively pushing for additive manufacturing solutions globally. So this is where actually we stand. You can see Philips Additive Global, Philips Corporation and Philips Machine Tools India. Basically, we have started a different division, which is called Philips Additive Global. Through the Philips Additive Global, I think the three punchlines for us is purely as a complement to the conventional manufacturing process. We want to deliver whoever are our conventional manufacturing customers, we want to deliver them additive manufacturing solution as a complement to their current process chain. In addition to that, we want to be a one-stop for advanced manufacturing solutions. So whenever it is subtractive or additive, or it's a combined requirement for a customer, we are the ones who are actually giving solutions for all the requirements for the customer as far as advanced manufacturing is concerned. And yes, AM solutions for every CNC job shop. Every CNC job shop, every conventional manufacturing process users have their own specific needs. To deliver as per their own specific needs, we have 3 different products that we are right now dealing with in an Indian subcontinent market. The very first one is Markforged. The second product is our own product, Philips Additive Hybrid, powered by Haas. And the third one is EOS, Electro-Optical Systems, which we all know very well. Now, when we talk about the different technologies, I'm sure pretty much all of the experts who are present right now for this session, they already know the most of the technologies that are primarily present in Indian market. And Philips has ventured out into all 3 technologies. The very first one into material extrusion, which we call it FDM, fused deposit modeling, or FFF, fused filament fabrication, wherein we have Markforged. The next technology, direct energy deposition, wherein we have our own product, Philips Additive Hybrid, powered by Haas. The technology is laser metal deposition. And in the laser powder bed fusion, we have our very own favorite EOS, which is electro-optical systems. Now, when we talk about positioning of these 3 different products, the very first one is Markforged. We all know it's an American-based company. The functional principle of this particular technology is purely FDM. The technology name that they have given is fused filament fabrication. And for metals, they have atomic diffusion additive manufacturing, wherein the raw material is in the form of filament, and then following normal principle of FDM machines, the parts are printed. But the very much specialty of this particular product is you can replace a lot of aluminum components with the help of continuous carbon fiber reinforcement. So continuous carbon fiber reinforcement is a very plus point for Markforged. Then when we talk about EOS, we already know about selective laser sintering process and the direct metal laser solidification process, wherein the powder material is solidified using laser. But the third one product that we will be talking about primarily today is Philips Additive Hybrid, powered by Haas. This particular product, as you can see in the image, you can see that next to spindle of a CNC machine, we have actually integrated a laser metal deposition head manufactured by Meltio on this particular CNC machine, which is manufactured by Haas. So how exactly the product works, how exactly are the deliverables, I'll brief you in the coming slides. So you can see about Philips Additive Hybrid, powered by Haas. This product is actually an integration done of 2 major OEMs. The very first one is Meltio. Meltio is a company which is a manufacturer of the hybrid engines as well as DED printers. The headquarters are in Las Vegas. It's actually a joint venture between Aditec and Signova, which is based out of Spain. So basically, Meltio is a OEM. It's a manufacturer of these hybrid additive heads as well as DED printers. And Haas, those of you who are actually very much familiar with the conventional CNC manufacturing field, they know that Haas Automations, CNC machines, Haas is a very renowned name as far as the CNC machines are concerned. Haas is a very global leader as well as a very fantastically proven technology into the Western world for CNC machining. And we are proud to be the topmost importers of CNC machine tools in India. So powering the both expertise of, combining the powered expertise of both Haas as well as Meltio, we have come up with Philips Additive Hybrid, powered by Haas. So basically, most of the experts already know that, today, if at all we face the, the limitation or the problems that the customer have in terms of entering into a additive manufacturing can also be that the size that can be 3D printed. If we talk about 3D printing or buying a 3D printing machine, which can print more than 400 mm build size or 450 mm build size, I think the cost is very huge. And if at all we have to repair such parts at such a, in some cases, then also the cost is very huge. In that case, actually, that is the reason Philips has come up with a great product of combining CNC machines as well as laser metal deposition head by Meltio to give a Philips hybrid product. Now, in this case, the customer problems we already know. The technology solution in this case is basically a technically and financially solution proven by Haas, which is CNC machine tools, and combined with a great expertise from Meltio in terms of DED process. In that way, Philips is doing the integration of these 2 products as to delivering the Philips Additive Hybrid product to the global market. Philips also has skilled workforce, service engineers, as well as skilled applications engineers globally present, as well as we have an extensive base of customers who have been using and who have been trusting our service and our products for their own needs. And we have exceptional service and a global presence through which we actually surface the customer's requirement as and when they come to us with the problems. So that's why Philips Additive Hybrid is presented to the customers. As you can see over here, this is our one of the signature product, which is Haas continuous 5-axis CNC machine, which is UMC 1000SS. You can see that next to the spindle of the CNC machine, we have connected this particular laser metal deposition head, through which you can actually melt the wire. Here, the raw material is in the form of metal wires. The wires can be from the diameter size of 0.6 mm to 1.2 mm. And also you can actually have different laser wattages. So it is not just necessary that you have to go for a higher laser power. These are diode lasers wherein you can go from 1.2 kilowatt till 3 kilowatt powers. And here the major materials that we are focusing right now is steel alloys, titanium alloys, and nickel alloys, Inconel grades, basically. So these three materials, we have done extensive amount of research, extensive amount of experiments so as to confidently launch these particular material. And even before launching officially globally about Philips Additive Hybrid, we still have around 5 to 6 projects that we are working on in India right now so as to implement this technology on a field. So this is actually a great expertise, great results that we are seeing from the global market. In the United States, we have already have more than 7 to 8 projects already done for the global market. Many educational institutes as well as different actually government bodies have also invested heavily into this particular technology. Now, in this case, you can see that we are offering this particular solution for specific type of CNC machines. You can see in terms of 5-axis, continuous 5-axis CNC machines, we can offer it to some range of machines, as well as we can offer it on some range of 3-axis machines with additional 2-axis addition on these particular machines. So this is what we are offering to the Indian market right now. And attached to this particular spindle of CNC machine is a laser metal deposition head from Meltio. You can also see that the particular control unit is also placed next to the machine, and also the chillers so as to cool the laser as well as the head. So this is how actually the system primarily looks like. Also, to give you more brief, I'll play a short video over here so that you all get more familiarized with the technology and how exactly the functioning takes place. So this is where the video will come in, Deb. Thank you. Moving on, in terms of product opportunity, I think hybrid will play a major role in terms of repair of some exclusive materials such as Inconel titanium as well as steel alloys when it comes to oil and gas industry as well as MRO industry, maintenance repair industry for the defense, as well as some cases in terms of oil and gas industry. So repair application are the great examples so as to take place for the Philips Additive Hybrid. In that case, you can also use the raw material. It's actually way cost effective compared with the rest of the processes. You can use the standard metal wires, welding wires for this particular operation. Like I said, from the diameter can range from 0.6 mm to 1.2 mm so as to get you the exact feature size. And so these metal wires are readily available in the current market, and it can give you equivalent metal properties. Also, it has a lesser safety procedures involved because you are working with metal wire. That too, we also have laser protected glass to all the CNC machines so that there is no exposure to the human eye. And plus, as there are no fine powder particles, you don't have to wear too much of safety equipment when you are operating the machine. And also, when it comes to integrating Meltio along with Haas machines, Philips has a fantastic expertise. I would say more than 20 years of experience in terms of interfacing different automation systems with Haas machines. So with that, actually, Philips engineers, they take care of integrating the whole system when it comes to communicating Meltio engine and Haas machines with each other. To that note, I think when it comes to Philips Additive globally, I think we have a great support from the application engineers who can actually help customers so as to absorb subtractive plus additive process integrally into Philips Additive Hybrid. Plus, we have a service team which actually is present globally so as to support you in terms of implementing the right product for your right application. and also customer training. So as to bridge the gap between the industry and the academia, we also provide different type of trainings for the customers' experience, so that customers have the seamless experience in terms of investment or in terms of entry into the Philips Additive Hybrid. So on this note, I would like to end my presentation, and thank you very much for the time. Thank you very much for all of your attention. Thank you again, Objectify AMIC team, for giving us an opportunity to present in this particular session. You all can see my email address and my phone number. For any more information, please get in touch with us, or you can just ping us on our website as well, philipscorp.com. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you for the amazing session. Hope you have learned a lot from this session.